When your business is equipping the next generation of engineers, you approach things differently. With an eye toward innovation, toward the future. Which is why Tektronix continues to invest nearly 20% of our product revenue right back into R&D to create the tools for both today's and tomorrow's engineers. Tools known for superb reliability and used by the majority of engineering design schools and companies around the world. From entry scopes, digital multimeters, power supplies and waveform generators, to uniquely sophisticated instrumentation for the advanced research bench, Tektronix has the solutions educators and researchers need to innovate faster. All of it backed by comprehensive warranty and service plans, allowing educators the freedom to focus more on educating and less on repairs and maintenance. Every one of the top 25 engineering and tech universities trust their students, their programs, their futures to Tektronix. They know preparing the education bench for the skills that industries need today will pay dividends for everyone tomorrow. This is where the world will get its next generation of engineers, in the classrooms, in the labs. These are the people who will change the world, the people who will move us forward, the people who will own the future.